Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming funds and access. Open the Google Play app and make sure the balance displays under payment methods. Once done, sign in to the account that holds the balance so you can perform authorized actions. This is critical because transfers require the source account. Also, verify the account's country and payment profile. Google limits transfers across regions. Finally, have the recipient account or device ready. You'll need exact account details to avoid delays or failed transactions. You now initiate the transfer by navigating to payment methods and choosing the send or redeem option that supports balance movement. Enter the recipient's Google account email or phone number and type the precise amount you want to move. Make sure you check regional caps and visible fees because Google enforces limits. Then authenticate with two-factor verification. This step protects both accounts. After confirming, wait for the on-screen confirmation and note the transaction ID for reference in case anything needs checking. Finish by confirming the transfer. Check for the confirmation email and verify the updated balances on both sender and recipient accounts. If the funds don't appear within the expected time, make sure both accounts' countries match Google Play policies and recheck the transaction ID you saved. If there's a mismatch, cancel and retry or contact Google support with the ID. One key troubleshooting tip: if you're blocked by regional restrictions, you must either change the payment profile country or use an alternate accepted method. Simple retries won't bypass country rules.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.